Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a quick get ready with me video. So let's begin. So firstly, I'm going to be cleansing my face with my favorite cleanser, that is the Bodyshop Vitamin C cleanser. And I don't like to use the cleansers which make your face squeaky clean and dry. Lately I've been using oils on my face, that in the morning as well as in the night, and this has really improved my skin texture. The one that I've been using is the Pixi Rose Oil Blend, and it's quite expensive, you guys. And then I'm going to be applying the sunscreen as well as the primer. On most of the days I don't like using foundation, so I use a CC cream. This one is by Clinique. CC cream is something like a tinted moisturizer which you can use on everyday basis, and I have been loving this one. Most of the times I just use my fingers to blend the CC cream onto my skin and then use the foundation brush. This is the Real Technique one, to blend it out. And also don't forget your neck. I was out of my concealer, so what I did is I used a one shade darker foundation onto my under eyes for correcting it, and then putting a little bit of CC cream onto it. For my brows I've been using the brow pencil by Sugar, and then I'm going to mattify my face with the compact powder, which you can see is almost kind of over. So moving on to the eyes, I'll be using the Color Bar eyeshadow stick, which is very convenient and you don't have to put a lot of it, and then blend it with my fingers so that there are no harsh lines, and this gives a kind of nice sheer color onto the eyelids. Now moving on to the eyelash curler, I've been using this for ages. It is so nice that it just opens up your eyes. And then the mascara, I feel like mascara is a must because it just opens up your eyes and make you look a little bit awake even when you're feeling a little sleepy or tired. Then we are going to move on to the contour because it just gives a nice warmth or color to your skin tone and not just one single tone on your face. And the one that I've been using is the Maybelline contour palette, which I am in love with this product. Check the description box below so that you can get the links of all the products I've used. Now I'm just blending it well so that there are no harsh lines and not go overboard with it, which I kind of do it, but sometimes it's okay, you know what I mean. Last but not the least is the lipstick part, wherein I'm using the Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha, and then wearing my watch and ready to go outside. Oh, but wait, I forgot the perfume. Yeah, there you go. This is what I like to do on most of the days, and for more content like this, please subscribe to my channel as well as hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a video, and stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.